Alright, I got a steam boiler not working. I'm on call on New Year's Eve. So, I'm going to make the best of this. I got a steam boiler that has a high water problem, and it's got a flame failure alarm on the 7800 control. And we're going to see what's going on. Oh man. Grab my flashlight. Check in with the manager. Hopefully she'll let me in. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. How are you? Good. I'm here to look at the boiler. Yeah, is it in the basement or the penthouse? You don't know. I'll find out. I don't know either.
I don't know. I just give out the key when
Well, that'll work. I'll figure that
word
out.
comes. I give him the key. All right, it's the key over here. Yeah,
That
with
sounds good.
NAC.
Yeah,
Okay, then.
thank you. Yep. Down to the basement. Probably faster to walk down the stairs. This is strange. He's going up. Need to go down.
Excuse me.
Basement. Oh look, they got a front and a back basement. This is going to be exciting. Which way should we get it? This way? Or the other way? Boiler room. I hear wind. Okay, does these keys work here? Oh, it's for the bottom lock. Okay, where's the light? There we go. See, that's fun. Look at that. Yeah, this is not. Look at that. Electrical cord sitting in the water. Really? I hear some clattering over there. Oh wow, we've got several steam boilers. Oh man, why is that not draining? Nice. I'm gonna take a breather. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to edit that part. I literally jumped over that water. I don't know why no one would tell you that they have freaking water and electrical cords in the fucking water. Hey, you know, stuff like that is just, it just pisses me off. They need to get that drain taken care of. Wow, I gotta calm down. These are steam boilers. He said one's out on flame failure. Well, he has. There is heat going, right? Something about it was flooding. I don't know if he meant it's in the header. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? A camera. What are those cords for? What do they serve? Just plugged in? Just plugged in for no reason. I don't even know. What are they? Flame failure yet. Oh, of course, the one's over in the water, right? Maybe I'm overly cautious, but I'm not. This is bullshit. Look at that. That cord is just running through the water. Okay. This one's not working. I don't know what's up with that. That's all. Okay. You can't. Both those cords need to get unplugged. I'm just, this is a safety factor. Look at that drain. need to unplug these cords, or somebody. That was real smart. Leave these cords plugged in, laying into fucking water. Just baffled. So this is the kind of stuff that happens. Let's see what the water level is on these other boilers. Water dripping. I got 4 pounds of steam. Water level on this boiler is fine. Like the condensate pump is trying to drain. Where's the water level on that? Oh, it's all the way up. And when that thing overflows, it can't even drain. Taking this in. We got 2 boilers down on this side. Power's off. I'd like to see my water level. These 2 boilers are running. They're not overfilling. 2 pounds of steam right now. Water level is right where it needs to be. It is coming up and down a bit, but that's normal. Cut in at 2. High fire 2. Fire, 2 pounds. I can't even see, dude. I need my glasses. Looks like low fire is 3 pounds. And it'll build to 12 psi. good flame signal on this. Goes up and reaches 5. That's flame signal. Let's see. And my water level's good on that boiler. And that one over there is a little low, it looks like. I'm not going in there. That's as far as I'll go. I see this all the time, man. These engineers do shit like this. They leave cords in the water. Look at their mechanical room, bro. Like, you know, this is terrible. This is absolutely horrible. Look at this mechanical room. I mean, it ain't the worst I've seen. It's definitely not the best. We got a leak right here. I'd be damned if my building looked like this if I was an engineer, man. If I was here all day, every day, I'd be painting the floor, cleaning all the shit up off the floor. Look at this. If I had to take a guess at it, I'd say the condensate freaking pump is, it looks to me like it's loading up with water because these two boilers are off and all the condensate came back down because they're not running. But my only issue is this floor is loaded up with water. What do you want me to walk up in that? Clean this water out. Right? Look at this. I'm gonna have to have a phone conversation with this engineer. Gotta get outside. I'm gonna crawl back over this stuff. Probably won't get shocked, but why? But why? Let me put this shit over here. Help me help you, man. Help me help you. This is always what it's about. So let's have a conversation. First and foremost. I'm a monkey over this stuff like I did before. This is the whole thing's a bad idea. The whole daggone thing. I'm gonna climb up on this motor, balance myself on this. Yep. Political vent. Get a picture of that. What's up his number? I'm sorry. Wow. I don't have a pickup. Hey, do you got an engineer on site? Anybody I can call? Well, he's got freestanding water on the floor downstairs. I'm not walking through the water. Electrical cords all over the floor. You know what I mean? In the water. So.
Oh, yeah,
So-
and you don't have no boots on.
Well, I'm not going to walk through electrical water.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
And he just got his cords laying. I'm not. It's just like.
You know what? Let me call somebody. You know, you can tell him because he knows more.
Yeah. I just want to let him know that he needs to get a plumber to clear the water or
He's
something.
not an engineer, but he's been working here for many years.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so he would. Oh, let me get my phone.
All right.
That's right. What's going on with all that water that's happening?
Well, I think the reason why why you got water is because he turned the boilers off. But they might have a problem. I'm not blaming. And all the water's coming back and overflowing.
Okay, I'm gonna call somebody that you can actually talk
Okay.
to, who would know what you're talking about.
Right.
So that's the best I can do right now.
That's perfect.
Okay. Okay, I'm calling. I hear you, Mom. Hey, babe. How are you? Fine. All right. Can't get him on the phone. He doesn't.
I tried to call Glenn. Glenn?
That was the wrong person.
Well, he called me out here.
Oh, yeah, because they told him to call you. He couldn't do that by himself. Cruz, answer the phone in here.
It's okay. It's all right. You should.
Hey, Cruz, how are you? Yeah, Happy New Year. I have NAC here. There was an issue in the boiler room, and can you let him tell you what's actually going on and what they're going to need to do? Will you listen to me?
Happy New Year, right?
Happy New Year. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello? Yeah, I hear you now. I just need you to talk to the NAC guy. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can get her on the phone. All right then. Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Well, I think somebody just called me back. Hold on. I think you might have.
I'm not. I don't have nothing to do with trash. That's trash. Oh, well, you better take it with you. Well, then, you Yeah, okay. Maybe don't, let me, I gotta call him.
I think he just called me back.
Who?
When?
Yeah, we'll call him, we'll talk to him.
Yeah, so.
Okay. Thanks.
No, thank you.
I really didn't want to call Sheila.
Well, he left me a voicemail. Well, I mean, you got heat. It's just those two are down.
I don't know nothing about it. See, I didn't know you was coming until I read the notes.
Let me hear the
Didn't nobody
voicemail.
tell me nothing.
Let me get his voicemail. Let me just,
Okay.
his voicemail, what do you say? Nothing.
Is he calling back?
No,
Because I hate to have to call Sheila.
no, you don't have to. Just give it a little while.
Okay.
I'm not enough. I drove all the way here.
Okay. Because I don't know. This tape, this is crazy. He spilled all this stuff on me.
Yeah.
You ain't the only one that got to use that.
Yeah. All right, here. Let me see what I can do. I'll just write a report. That's what I'm going to do, write a report.